What is going on YouTube? So I have a really good question to answer today, and it's going to be, I'm going to try to go in depth and explain everything. I get this all the time. Trey, help me with my anxiety, help me with my panic disorder. Give me that magic something that's going to cure me, okay? So can anxiety be cured? All right? For the most part, yes, it is possible that it can be cured. It depends on how much work you're going to put in. It's going to depend on if you, utilize the tools around you. How much courage, how much bravery you have, how strong you are, your character, if you're pessimistic or positive. It's going to depend on your diet, your exercise habit. I'm telling you, it's going to depend on every little detail. Okay? Some people can go out and exercise and that's it. Magically, they found the magic pill. Their anxiety is gone. Some people can cut out hot sauce. It's just some things work for some people. It doesn't mean it's going to work for you. I try to give you a bunch of different things. Tools, okay? Your tools. Exercising, changing your diet, positive thinking, meditation. I'm telling you, positive affirmations. Those things right there can make a huge difference in your life. If you're negative about doing those things, maybe they're not going to work. Okay? Maybe that's why they aren't working. Waking up in the morning, I tell you, wake up in the morning with a smile on your face that you woke up, that you are alive, and that you have another opportunity to experience life. Just you starting to think like that, I'm telling you, things will get better. Have gratitude, okay? I got wasps, bees, everything flying around me out here. Have gratitude. Be thankful. You will be so freaking surprised, the power of gratitude. Whenever you're thankful for the things around you and thankful for the life that you have, thankful for your job, thankful for having a roof over your head, for your children, for your family. I'm not exactly 100% sure on why this works, but it does. Just when you're practicing being thankful. When we complain every single day and our mind's in the gutter, and, whenever every little thing, we take it in the worst kind of way, we're not going to get anywhere. It is very possible for you to cure your anxiety. I'm still not 100% cured. Don't let me fool you. I don't have panic attacks anymore. I don't have severe anxiety. I just don't deal with depression anymore. And me just having the little bit of anxiety and stress that I do have, which is still a little more probably than the average person, I am completely happy and thankful I've gotten to this level. Honestly, I'm so happy I'm where I'm at. Because I used to be crippled. I used to be down, lower than you can get. I was never like suicidal or wanted to take my life or anything like that. But because I was scared of death, So I had to start somewhere. I started at the bottom and now I'm here, whatever. I had to do things like go run in the middle of the night to make my heart rate be up for a reason other than me freaking out. I had to start eating a plant-based diet, okay, to figure out my brain chemistry issues. I had to start taking a multivitamin. I had to start being thankful. These are the things that made me who I am, and I get asked this all the time, and it doesn't seem to be good enough for some people. I'll get messages, and I'm not discouraging you not to message me, but start implementing the things that I ask, because I know you think that just going out there and working out is not going to work for you, but you won't even try. Whether that be from laziness, and I am being a little harsh on this, whether that be from laziness or just you don't believe that that's going to fix it. Man, whenever you go outside and you run, do push-ups, sit-ups, lift weights, you do not understand the endorphins that you'll get. And if you don't do it. That's if you don't do it. If you do it, you understand. If you work out and you have anxiety, you probably work out more because you understand how much that's going to help. But you have to start realizing some of these things, guys. You are not going to get better overnight. The cure is not just magical. There are very few people out there that can find that one thing and it fixes everything. You just got to keep trying. You got to keep trying. It's a combination. You are trying to get your brain chemistry back in line. That doesn't happen all the time overnight. Taking medications, guys, I'm going to tell you, try your hardest, and I beg you, try your hardest to stay away from that. You do not want to become addicted to that. Okay, so what I want you to take away from this is, yes, you can cure your anxiety. I'm a naturally anxious person. I've been that since I was a child. So me being 95% better, in my eyes, that's a cure for me. I'm cured of my panic disorder pretty much. I, knock on wood, because I never know, maybe I could have one, but it would have to be a crazy situation to have one. But yes, you can cure your anxiety. It takes work. Nobody wants to believe that. I tell you in them comments down below, it seems just like, oh, he's just saying exercise and diet. Somebody laughed at me the other day. It was like, meditation. You don't realize how much that freaking helps. Those are the things that you do that are natural. All right? I will put some resources down below for you to check out, some really cool books that I would recommend. Join the Facebook group down below. There's a lot of support in there. You're going to find people that are going to help you out, people that are going to be there even when I can't get to some of these comments. They are usually there, and they're up at all hours of the night. So you will find support there. Join the Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. I'm trying to get these and beef these up so I can crank out some good content for you guys. Like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you got anything out of this. If you understand what I'm saying, if you realize that it's going to take a long time, or if you think that there's still something out there that's going to snap you out of it one day. And like I said, there are very few people out there that they wake up the next day and it's gone. Just like there are some people out there that have a horrible drinking habit and they wake up the next day and it's gone. And something just happened subconsciously. But most of us do not get that luxury. So thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it so you can get updates on my videos. And I hope you all have a great Saturday afternoon. I'm about to head to town and go to the zoo with my family and try to enjoy the rest of the day. So I will be back on later, and I will try to answer some of these comments. Thanks a lot, guys.